Hello viewers, how are you friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Trendy Leather Fashion. I hope you guys all will be fine and enjoying good condition of your health. Today I am here with a great collection of leather ankle boots. Friends, you are looking here, they are most beautiful and amazing design and gorgeous colors ankle leather boots. I hope you really like this collection. If you want to be updated about latest idea of leather fashion, please keep in touch with this video till end if you like any of them. And friends, please keep telling me in the comment section. Also will give you suggestions. Very latest leather ankle boots. Very stunning boots. Friends, also like and share my videos with your friends and family members and social media. Very beautiful ankle leather boots. Stiletto high heel ankle leather boots. Beautiful ideas for girls of 2022. Front zipper, side zipper and back zipper ankle leather boots. Beautiful looking for girls. Brown leather boots. So beautiful. Friends, also like and share my videos with your friends and family members and social media. Very beautiful and gorgeous ideas you will see in my videos. Double buckle strap ankle leather boots for girls. Very stylish boots. Ribbon lace up boots. Friends, best boot of the season. Please keep waiting for my next video and watching for my videos, and thanks for watching. Pure leather ankle leather boots. Wonderful ideas for girls of 2022. Take care my all friends.